Hello guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slick Hair TV. Today I'm showing you how I'm getting this awesome hairstyle. I still got my undercut going on and then I'll style it throughout 4 steps, so hang on. First, you'll start out in freshly cleaned hair. I use the Rush shampoo and conditioner. You might need to wash it twice if you already have an oil-based product in it. Else I'll recommend washing it once and then I'll put on conditioner as the finished part, so it's moist and it's ready to style. Up number 2, we have the pre-styling process. It's very important because if you're not using pre-styler, you don't have a strong base for the hairstyle. Even though the sidekick is a mist, you will dispense 10 to 20 pumps in your hair. There's still some areas that is not fully covered, so you need to mess it around to mix it all together, and then you're ready for the pre-styling process.
I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this back to life.
When you blow dry it, you can create some extra texture, you can straighten out curls, and in general you'll get more control on the overall hairstyle when you're using pre-styler. If you have a cold setting on the blow dryer, then I recommend blow drying your hair with the cold setting to get the maximum volume in the finished result. If you don't, then I just recommend running your fingers through so it will cool down in a high position. Now for step number 3, we have the styling process, and here we have the Dynamite Clay. It's a strong old clay wax that provides a lot of hold, obviously, and a matte finish. For the application, I recommend using a small amount and then we rub it into the hands, and the reason for that is to melt it down and distribute it evenly on the surface of the hands. Then you will apply it by rubbing it in with circles. I recommend because it creates texture and volume at the same time, and then it makes it easier to sculpt into some nice details.
I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this back to life.
And when you're done with the top, you will just heat up the rest wax you have on the hands and put some pressure on the sides, and then you will just kind of put pressure and massage it into the sides so they'll be looking nice and tight. And step number 4, we have the finish. You need to seal the deal. So we have here a hairspray from Slick Hair. It's a medium hold hairspray and I would like to give it a small round. Step number 5 is my bonus tip. Remember to use a trimmer to always look sharp. It could be around the ears, in the neck and your beard, of course.
We never quite could forget, 'cause what we
Alright guys, thank you for hanging on to the end of this episode. As always, remember to write your comment down below what you think about this hairstyle, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. Share it with your best friends and give it a like. See you guys next time. And we already got a lot of questions about the Slick Hair product line, so if you want to know more, remember to go to the newsletter, sign up and stay tuned.